I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Upwork, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Before changing your settings, use the upwork.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security tab on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the security settings for your account. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Look for the option labeled Biometric Login and toggle it off. This will disable a feature, and you will no longer be prompted to use biometrics for login. Step 5. Confirm changes. After toggling off the biometric login, make sure to scroll down and click the Save Changes button to ensure your settings are updated. Remember, if you forget to save your changes, the biometric login will remain enabled. I hope this helps you manage your Upwork account more comfortably.